Hey, it's Damon, the Drone Boss, and I've got a special announcement about our Drone Command Live virtual event. We're going to have a guest speaker there. Now, this is a gentleman that started his drone business just a few years ago, and he built it to over six figures. From 2019 to 2020, he doubled his business. He had 100% growth in his business. Just blown away. He was super excited and just so appreciative of all the tools he learned at Drone Command Live and he was able to utilize. You're going to get those same tools. Now, the best part is, check this out. In 2021, the first quarter of 2021, which he just finished up, he's up 390% over his 2020 numbers, which were up 100% over his 2019 numbers. So, and remember, he already had a six-figure drone business. So this is just phenomenal. And the best part is you're going to get to meet him and hear from him himself. So please check us out at dronecommandlive.com or click on the link in the comments below. I'd love to see you there. And remember, there's no risk. You have a money-back guarantee on this training, and I guarantee you it will be the best thing you've ever done if you're interested in drones or interested or considering of starting your drone business or taking your existing drone business to the next level. Can't wait to see you next week. Remember, it's April 8th, 9th, and 10th. It's 3 days, and we're going to have a blast. All right, take care, fly safe, and we'll see you next week.